So student, in this exercise 2.2 we are going to use circle command, then we are going to use trim command along with polar array command. Now let's discuss how we are going to complete this exercise. Now here first we are going to draw a circle having diameter 6. Then we are going to draw the circle having dimension of 4.5, which is pitch circle. Then respectively we are going to draw 5.25 diameter. Then we are going to draw the circle having diameter of 3.6, and subsequently we are going to complete the exercise. Now to complete this small part, we are going to draw this circle having dimension of, let's say, 0.45 as given. We are going to array that circles by 8 times, and exactly at 45 degree we are going to prepare this part by drawing circle and making tangent to this circle, which is 3.6 diameter. Then we are going to draw circle having tangent radius options at these locations and at this location. After that, by combining these three, we are going to make it a pattern using polar array command. So let's begin. Now choose circle command. D space for the diameter options, enter 6. Then let's draw the circle of 3.6. C space, same center, diameter 3.6. Now let's try to draw another circle having dimension of 5.25. C space, same circle, D space 5.25. Now let's draw another circle which has got a diameter of, let's say here it is 4.5, which is pitch circle. So select center line options, pick up the circle command and enter dimensions, that is 4.5 as given in the figure. Alright, now let's also draw center lines. Please make sure ortho mode is on. Similarly, let's draw horizontal center line. Okay, now let's try to draw this smaller circle having dimension of 0.45. So switch over to the 0 layer, pick up the circle command and draw over here circle having diameter 0.45. Now let's array this. So for that, go to array command and choose polar array. Now select the circle and press spacebar. Now select this reference center. So this will be the point around which we are going to place the pattern. So choose that. Now here in this array creation tab, we have to enter number of circle. So here in our case it is 8. And we have to cap the options of equal distributions between the 365 degree. Now close this array. Now let's try to draw a circle, this circle, right? So C space and let's zoom in little bit. The dimension will be up to the next circle by tangency relationship. So shift right click tangent, right? Now let's try to draw another circle. C space, right click tangent radius, this part and this part. The radius will be, let's say typically it is given 0.15. Okay, now let's repeat same circle on a upper side. Right click tangent radius over here and over here, enter. Now let's trim the part. So be careful what you are trimming. Hopefully this makes sense. Now let's array this part. So go to polar array options and window, select it, right click, center of a circle. Now this time we have 4 pattern to be filled in 360 degree, right? Now see here I forgot to pick up the one of the arc. So I will going to cancel it. I will go for Ctrl Z. Again I'll go for array command, polar array. I am going to select the circles right? Right click, center point, this time again 4 point. Now make sure it is as per the requirement, and close it. Now let's complete this part where the circle of 0.45 dimension is cut out. So C space, the dimension is 0.45. Repeat same over here, this space 0.45. Trim out this part, and this part. Okay, done. Now let's draw the inside arc pattern. Okay, now for that we are going to use center line options, and let's pick up the center options, and this time the radius is 1.25. okay, now we will also offset the dimension by 0.5, so half distance is 0.25. so O for offset command, distance will be 0.25. so select this side and this side. Now here let's match the property, match property command, select this, and we are going to turn them in object line. Right, now let's trim unnecessary part, this part, and this part, and this part. Okay, now let's draw the arc. So here we have to choose start, center and end. So let's zoom it, start, center and end. Similarly, pick up same command, start, center and end. Now please try to save the exercise. Now here let's also trim unnecessary part, this one. Right, now let's complete the bottom part by drawing additional lines. From here let's turn off the ortho mode. Now I'm going to trim this line. Okay, now I'm going to delete this part. Now let's draw the center lines again. Pick up the line command from here to here. Okay, then from here to here as shown. Okay, and from here to here, and from here to here. Now it is almost complete, nothing is left out. So this is how student you can complete the exercise.